that all these sites are connected. The good news is
Channel 9 accesses the data from over 45 automated weather retrieval units every day to depict up-to-the-minute conditions over our ever-expanding viewing area. No longer are we so dependent on hourly observations from airports. We can now show conditions from schools in neighborhoods. The units consist of a sensor suite, the hardware, that measures the atmospheric variables, and the software that enables us to dial one, all, or a customized group of stations with a PC and a modem. The information can then be displayed in a variety of formats for analysis, including color graphics display and auto plot mapping. The automated weather source software was designed for use in education as well as for the professional meteorologists. The information helps our forecasting here at Channel 9.
Though, we access Kaiser Middle School in Mineral County, West Virginia. 56 right now. They've cooled off a little bit. The thunderstorm gave them over 1.5 inches of rainfall, and it's still raining there now.
And in fact, later that morning, Kaiser schools were closed due to mudslides. The universal response from educators to date is that the concept fits perfectly with the latest educational trends. Schools can share and compare the data and integrate the data back into the curricula of math, science, and geography. Mrs. Kenny of Jones Lane Elementary School in Maryland is very excited about the program.
It's meant that we have instant access to data that's generated from our site, and it helps us to promote our goal of building a hands-on science environment for children in this community. The second thing it enables us to do is to communicate with other children in other schools around the state.
The National Weather Service accesses the data on an hourly basis and has even issued special weather statements based on that information. Jim Belville, the meteorologist in charge at the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia, sees educational value in the project as well.
Well, there's several ways I look at this thing. With the educational community involved the way it is, it really fosters an interest in meteorology and atmospheric sciences at a grade school and middle school level, which is extremely important. I think it's going to be of great benefit to the academic community.
Donating 5 units to the schools of your choice will sow the seeds for a network. Individual inquiries will arise after exposure on the air. Our network of over 36 units grew in just about 14 months' time. The promotional possibilities are endless for the television station and remain evergreen, providing an ongoing reminder of the station's commitment to the educational system and to the community.
I'm Channel 9 meteorologist Topper Shutt. Here at WUSA-TV, we were the first station locally or nationally to use the data gathered from an automated weather network. It helps us fine-tune our forecast and also keep track of rapidly changing weather conditions. In fact, we have our own unit here at Channel 9 that schools throughout the metropolitan area can log in remotely, gather data, and compare it with data from their own site, thus forging a very strong relationship between Channel 9 and the educational system.
In the not-too-distant future, we see kids in Washington sharing data with kids in Denver and Atlanta, and eventually on a nationwide basis. Topper Shutt, Channel 9 Eyewitness Weather.